Welcome back, Sea Ray fans. Today's March 31st, 2018, and today we're going to try out a couple products to see if we can remove this heavy-duty lichen and mold from the surface of my 1996 21-foot Sea Ray Laguna. The first product we're going to try is called 30 Seconds, the original since 1977 Outdoor Cleaner Concentrate. It's good on algae, mold, and mildew. It's a fast-acting product that you're supposed to be able to spray on and hose it off. They say you can leave it on a little bit longer if you wish to. Probably if your surfaces are heavy coated like mine are, a little longer time is probably going to be beneficial. You can also scrub it if you choose to, but today we're going to try just spraying it on and see how that works. I've mixed a little bit of this up in a spray bottle that I purchased at my local home improvement store, a Zepp spray bottle. Probably can use other products as well. Mix this 1:1, so 1 part water, 1 part of the 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. So I've got 20 ounces in my bottle. The second product is the Home Armor Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Both these products I researched online and found people that had talked about them, so I thought I'd give them a try. Both are safe on fiberglass and vinyl. The things that I need to watch out for is I got to watch out for my galvanized. My trailer's galvanized, so I've got to watch out for that. Kind of caustic on those materials, and I do have a lot of stainless, some plastic on the boat, other components that might react to the cleaner. So let's get started, see how these products work. As you can see, this surface is nasty. Do a little spray in here. There we go. All right. Get a good size area here. I'm going heavy duty, drenching the surface. Give it a little bit of time. It says 30 seconds. So it says you can keep it wet for up to 3 minutes. And then brush the surface if necessary. I'm going to try it without brushing it at first just to see what it does. It's a pretty windy day here, and sun's finally shining. So it looks like it's starting to dry already. Not really a whole lot of reaction happening. Probably should have set a timer for 30 seconds. Just to see what the difference was there. So it looks like there's a lot of color change going on. Some of the mold seems to be disappearing, which is great. It's a pretty big boat, and I really don't want to scrub the entire surface, especially the inside. That's gonna be a lot of work. So this product looks like it's going to go a long way. It says that on porous surfaces you can do up to 200 square feet, and on non-porous surfaces like the fiberglass you can do up to 600 square feet. You can extend the life of it and get up to 1,800 square foot coverage if you mix the product 4:1. So I've done what they've said, done it as 1:1, equal parts. Yeah, things are starting to happen. I'm liking this. Gonna give it just a couple more seconds. And grab my garden hose here. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Seems to be working really well on the mold. A little more pressure in my hose there. Wrong way. Oh yeah. Not real pretty yet. But not bad. Yeah, I think with a little rubbing that's going to come much cleaner. So it could be that just that my boat is so badly aged with mold and lichen and algae that I'm going to have to put a little bit more effort into this. So that's this 30-second outdoor cleaner product. I'm liking it. I like what it did on the mold. Did a really good job there. Doesn't seem to be damaging my surface of the boat. Doesn't seem to be damaging the metal, the stainless, or the plastic. I think if I let it sit on there a little bit longer, it would probably work a little bit better. So not bad. Good product. I think with a little brushing, that's going to make it even better. So let's move on to the next product. So now we're ready to try the Home Armor Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Purchased this again at my local home improvement store. Probably available elsewhere. I saw it online that you can buy it in larger quantities, like gallon containers. But we're going to give this small 32-ounce bottle a try. This particular product says that you're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that and show you the results. Going to do the area right next to what I did with the other product and kind of do a comparison. So let's get started. We're doing this outdoors obviously, but they say if you do this indoors, you're supposed to leave the room. Real heavy duty bleach smell. Give it a good coating. So the Home Armor Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover seems to be working pretty fast. Getting kind of the same reaction going on. You can see the mold going away very quickly. The lichen seems to be loosening up. So we're going to come back in a couple minutes and see what the results are after the 5-minute hold time here. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Taking a look at the Home Armor Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. We've given it a little bit over 5 minutes. I'm gonna try the garden hose here. Rinse off the product. You said you can leave it 5 to 10 minutes, but we're just gonna try 5. You can see that lichen just falling off. Not bad. I honestly think that the first product, the 30 seconds outdoor cleaner, might be the winner here. What I like the most is the 30 seconds outdoor cleaner, as it just dripped down the boat, removed the mold all on its own. Now I didn't have as much dripping going on here, but it did a little bit of removal. The Home Armor product did. You can see the spotting there. Yeah, if you rub that, that's gonna come clean too. So they're both pretty good. Both good products. I have to admit it, but I really like the 30 seconds outdoor cleaner a little bit better. Like that it came in a gallon jug. As I said, you can get the Home Armor in a gallon jug. Just that my local store didn't have it. So there we go. Reviewing of the two products today, 30 seconds outdoor cleaner concentrate and the Home Armor mold mildew stain remover. Both products are very good. You can kind of see the part I did with my finger rubbing the Home Armor. Looks a little whiter. It's a toss-up though. Obviously the 30-second outdoor cleaner, there may be a little bit of residual there, but has sat on the surface a bit longer, even though we rinsed it. But good deal. Thanks for watching. We're going to continue on. I think I'm going to make a decision here as to which product I'm going to go with, and we'll be back with you soon. Thanks for watching.